I'm just honestly rushing to the dentist. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are well. Just right, we just here. So anyway, I'll vlog more, or I'll catch you guys when I'm done. Okay. Hey guys, your teeth are perfect, my love. Your teeth are
yellow.
no, they're perfect. That's what she said. I was thinking, do you not need hygiene thingy? She said, no, it's quite sunny. Let me just put my sunny on.
My teeth are perfect.
Okay. All right. We finished with dentist appointment. Really cool. So the dentist always say I'm back for business for her because my teeth is always good. She can't really fault anything with my teeth. So I think the last time I went was a year ago. So she actually said, you know, there's nothing wrong with your teeth. Come back another 1 year's time just for like a normal checkup. There's nothing crucial. Basically, I am. Oh my God, this restaurant is closing. Oh, it's a pity, isn't it? Look. So apparently I'm back for business. Oh wow, look at this shop. God.
If you need anything, just give me a shout.
Yeah. No, it's fine. I'll have a proper look. Oh my God, these are. Oh my God, this is nice. Oh my God, this is so cute. This is like the Versace class. Oh, this is Joseph. How much at Zara? Oh, this dress is beautiful. I love this. Really nice. Oh, this is nice. This is just like my size. This is quite tall, isn't it? I'll have to try that shoe on. Oh my God, that shop I went into that they said designer stuff. Things are amazing. They are just literally amazing. It's so beautiful. I'm going to check their website out. It's just so cool. A head day for me. I'm going to Peckham. Oh my God, look at my grace. Look at my grace. So I'm going to Peckham, guys, to go make my hair. I'm just on the train at the moment, so just making my way through to London. Hopefully I'll be able to make my hair. I don't even know what sort of style I should do today. I don't know if I should do like a bang, or if I should do like a center, or kind of in between side. I'm just so confused. I took both wigs with me, so I'll take you along to Peckham. I hope you guys are doing so well. Maybe I might do my nails in Peckham, but I haven't said that then. The last time I did my nails in town, in a salon close to my house where I live, oh my God, it was so good. Like, it lasted for like almost 4 weeks. It's ridiculous. Like, my nails probably grew out. I've just cut it really short now because I wasn't used to it at all. So yeah, so anyway, I'll show you if I see anything interesting. I'll show you guys. To Peckham, I'm just waiting for the lady that wants to make my hair. She just finished the braid, so I thought I would just walk about here. actually it just feels so quiet. I don't know if it's because it's like Wednesday, it just feels so quiet. Peckham used to be like really busy, bustling, and some of the shops are honestly closed. I don't know if it's like they have time, I don't know, it just feels so weird. But yeah, so hopefully she will be done because I came with my kids and they just and the place, so where she used to make my hair is a really nice salon, really spacious and everything, but now she moved to a more cramped place. It's not very ideal, to be honest with you, especially with kids. It's a bit tricky, but anyway.
Maybe we lost it.
So this is the hair, guys. So I actually quite like the hair, so I was fiddling with it because I actually told her that I didn't want the hair to be too full, to be too thick at the front, and I didn't want it to be too cut to the side as well. So 2 weeks into the whole carrying of this hair, I realized that it's a bit too thick at the front and she cut to the side a bit. But when I did my reel initially, I was praising her, but check out the reel that I did. Welcome back, friends. I hope you guys are doing so well. So I just had a new hairdo. I love this winter hair that I have done. So this is me just leaving home to London, and here is my hair, guys. So mind the gray hair, you know, your sister is aging a bit. So we got to Peckham. It wasn't that busy at all. It was a little bit on the calmer side, and the auntie that usually does my hair, she was on time, and I love her service really. So I was just checking my hair out, and when she started putting the extension, I really like what she has done because I don't like full hair really. And voila, this is the hair. I really love the way the front of the hair came out and everything. So you know, with bang, you always like fiddling with it to see if it's right. And here is the final look. I really just love what she has done with my hair, and this is the winter